Wife and I were watching Love on the Spectrum last night, and one of the they're on a first date, and one of the people asked, I think one of the guys asked one of the girls, "What's your favorite sound effect?" I thought that was
Whoa.
I thought that was a great.
That is a good.
That's a great first date question if you want to throw that in.
Yeah.
I need to go on a date though. I haven't gone on a date in a minute.
Yeah.
favorite sound.
What?
Favorite sound effect is awesome.
It's got to be Wilhelm scream, right?
There's a lot of sound.
Tim
effects.
Allen Grunt.
I was like,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
actually an awesome fucking question.
Slide
I've
whistle.
I've never thought about that.
Yeah. Raindrop.
Yeah.
Oh, boing.
Boing.
Boing is
Boing
good.
is good.
Ow
Yeah.
isn't bad.
Good.
PJ, pull up tier maker.